Hello friends, welcome to another Salesforce training video, and in this video we are going to see the third example. So for loop. So what's that? For loop we use sometimes with uh, SOQL query. How it works, like for loop we write, and then in our brackets we write variable list or variable name, data type name, and then name for the variable, and then in SOQL query. SOQL query, as you know, we get data from our org, so it is list, so type of list, and then in curly braces we write our code. Now let's go to our org and then see. I actually prepared this example before, but let me do it again. For example, if you want to write another type for loop, open our bracket, and then data type name. It can be account, it can be whatever. Let's try opportunity. Account takes short time. Account AC, and then in where with our SOQL query. Then SOQL query most of time it returns to list. So it is account object. We have our account variable name and then list. So in our SOQL query, select what? Select name only. Can be ID. Just put ID from where? From account object. And then put a limit. Not, I don't want all the values there. Limit, let's say 5 or 10. What will happen? It will print on my developer console 10 accounts with name and ID, and one by one it will go. Okay, system dot debug my account in org. Okay, first 10. So let's make it readable, and then put a space, and then concatenate with AC. Now let's go. What happens? Let's explain. We write for loop, and then data type name, and then variable name in where? In this list, and select 10 accounts, first 10 accounts, and then print this. This is, as you know, it is string. It will be printed as it is, and then AC is, it will take one by one. So let's execute it. Debug only. As you know, my account in or first 10. Like these are the first 10 accounts, a name and ID name for each account. So this is the for loop, third for loop example. Let me do quick revision of all the for loops. Then finish the first one was traditional one. You write the for loop and then integer initialize value, you put boolean value and then increment, and then you print it. And the second one is with list. Like with list, you define a list here, and then from this list print one by one each value. The third example is with SOQL. We write you can, for example, this is a type of list also. If you write here integer e and then you put this value here, it is same thing. Yeah, this is SOQL. Okay, it is same with this one. Just not to list account. Okay, and then ACC list, and then equals to this is SOQL. This list it will give you, if you put this one, it will, let's see, I will do system debug just to show you. This is out of loop. It is ACC list. Then let's see what it will give us. First and second example. This is a list of account, limit 10, and sorry, we debug only. As you know, this is the list. What is this one? Account name test ACC. The first one is HP. You see, this list gives you as it is. And here, like all of them in one. But here it prints one by one. So but the result is same. Okay. So what we can do is, this is just another example of this to show you. Instead of this, what we can write of this SOQL, if you define this one and put in for loop and then write only ACC list, here instead of this SOQL, it will give you same result. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I think it will help you.